Here are a couple of trays, or several trays actually, of nepenthes hamata mira. This is not an item we have in tissue culture. These are nursery grown plants, very overgrown in these trays, but good quality plants all the same. Very hard leaves, tough. And let's see if we can see a picture. And amongst all this, there's an open picture, and these are, there's one that's open, so you can see a little bit of the peristome. There's another one up here, maybe in better condition perhaps. There we are. So that's an item, quite a rare item, the nepenthes hamata mira, which we will be offering on our wholesale auctions very shortly as large plants coming from these trays. So to give you some idea of what they look like.